UC San Diego has established an ambitious vision to build a fully integrated live-learn mixed-use neighborhood on campus, which will include student residences, faculty and administration offices, classrooms, parking, and amenities such as a market, dining hall, coffee shop, retail space, and a craft center. An integrated live-learn neighborhood in academic setting is a concept based on the knowledge that students, faculty, and administrators are more successful in their endeavors when their lives and daily responsibilities are integrated in one place rather than segregated. We are fortunate to have a client on this project whose values are so closely aligned with those of HKS. The program that was given to us was highly qualitative in addition to quantitative, and a great deal of thought was given to the issues of creating community, user wellness, and placemaking. The UC system has also mandated that the campuses are carbon neutral by 2025, and they even required an original piece of research as a part of the deliverable. Buildings at the site's perimeter are porous at the ground plane and surround generous open spaces, providing an east and west quad. The built forms provide the walls of those outdoor rooms. A three-story parking structure is located under the east quad. Separating the two quads is Scholars Drive that will become the new campus Main Street and Energy Center. Program components at ground level are active, including a market, a commuter lounge, and a campus concierge. Every effort has been made to make sure this community doesn't close down at 6 p.m. Creating a sense of community was at the foundation of all aspects of the design. As architects, we often think of our work as creating buildings, but in fact what we do is really about the people, creating places that support the experiences that will lead to desired outcomes for the users. Some of the outcomes desired by the university were encouraging successful socialization of freshmen and sophomores, creating an environment that encourages health and wellness, creating opportunities for collaboration, enhancing attraction and retention of faculty and students, and providing a design that is highly sustainable. It was the university's desire that when you are a member of or visitor to this neighborhood, you will feel it. You will know that something beyond the normal is being required of you, that you would somehow be inspired to behave more responsibly, make healthier decisions and choices, and have pride in your community. By programming the outdoor environments rather than just landscaping them, individual places are made that have a variety of scales, characters, and uses to support campus activities and create opportunities to enjoy the climate. Outdoor classrooms, study, and recreation areas, along with rooftop terraces, community gardens, a basketball court, and a walking path encourage healthy outdoor activities. Designing to the human scale was critical because of the density of the project and a desire to create a sense of community. This is especially important to undergraduate students, possibly away from home for the first time. Environments were designed to aid them in socializing and assimilating into their new surroundings so that they become successful in their academic careers and ultimately meaningful contributors to society. The design team employed the concept of dual scales. The towers are stepped back from the lower podium facades. The forms, locations, and orientation of the towers above were carefully studied to address views and climate conditions, especially as related to environmental responsibility and human comfort. A technique called persona mapping was used throughout the design process to keep the needs of every user in mind and to test our ideas related to creating the environments that would help the university achieve its desired outcomes. For example, floor plan layouts were tested to understand where desired, planned, and chance encounters could happen between users. This aided us in finding ways to encourage healthy choices, such as taking stairs instead of elevators, as well as building community through locating a variety of indoor and outdoor spaces that would aid in socialization and interaction between students, faculty, administrators, and the community. We know that learning doesn't happen just in classrooms, but in every space on the campus. The residential buildings are designed to create community, shared experiences, and personal connections. All are designed to be home and encourage activities that will contribute to the social and scholarly success of the residents. A variety of room types appeal to different personality types and social needs. Every residential building and every floor is designed to provide both privacy and social interaction opportunities. Common areas, including kitchens, living rooms, and study areas, are provided adjacent to vertical circulation nodes to encourage interaction. Each has generous views and an outdoor balcony with a porch swing. The residential buildings are almost completely naturally ventilated. The academic buildings portray the separate identities of the social sciences program and the arts and humanities program, while maintaining the theme of community with a shared outdoor entry atrium and rooftop decks. Situated on the high point of the site, the buildings serve as a welcome portal and embrace the project's theme of dual scales while providing natural daylight and fresh air. All faculty offices have operable windows. The administration building is located at the heart of campus on Scholars Drive, and it has a rooftop deck for campus functions. In short, the UC San Diego North Torrey Pines Live Learn neighborhood has been designed so that at every scale, for every user, indoors and outdoors, physically and mentally, everyone has options and the encouragement to make the healthy choice the easy choice.